Welcome you my YouTube channel Job 13. Today my topic is international cinema versus Indian cinema in 21st century. Watch this full video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and any suggestion you leave comment, and if you need some video for other topic, so give you can leave us comment also in comment box. Let me talk about topic international cinema plus Indian cinema in 21st century. Cinema is a mirror of human society of world. These some facts are about international cinema and Indian cinema. As we know, Indian cinema last 70 years working, more than 70 years working, but not dominant since in Indian society or Indian continent region. While international cinema is less less spectator in their countries, but they dominance in worldwide level. That's the things. These are now diversify their business and their diversify their revenue collection by after language dubbing in various countries of world. While in Indian cinema and not diversify their collection revenue collection from worldwide countries, because they are not dubbing language. They are not dubbing language, or these are a major factor nowadays. In South movies are, that's why promoting here, because they are dubbing their languages in Indian. That's why they are idle movie. When they realize after 40 years, then they realize it. But they are their collection revenue collection top in their state, not in overall in India as compared to Bollywood cinema. That's the thing. It's promoting right talents in international cinema. They work and motivate them by national and international award, and they get more monies in Hollywood, etc. And Indian cinema, it's promoting less right talent by their work and motivate them by business house award only. But right talent not motivate, because they can't get award, they can't get more sound movies. That's why public not interested in them, because they could not get good movies. It's hit movies top by revenue based collection in international cinema. While in Indian cinema also, it's top movie based by revenue collection only. That is a good same thing is in both cinema. It's producer filmmaker making ideal movies for future movies for society upliftment. While in its producer in Indian cinema, producer filmmaker less making ideal movies, and future movies are less for society upliftment. It's motivate newcomers international cinema, while it's demotivate newcomers in Indian cinema. It gives chance for newcomers. It gives chance for newcomers and by their talent, while it give less chance for newcomers by their talents, movie and singing also. The music industry, it in international cinema, it gives protection security for newcomers, film star or singer, while it give Indian cinema, it give less protection security for newcomers, singers, actors. It maximum highly budget movies are in international cinema, and less spectator, but they collect more revenue than Indian cinema. Its filmmaker make diversify movies in every society of world, while in Indian cinema they are not well diversified movies by topic wise, and that's why they are not accept in every countries. its filmmaker make diversify movie in every society of world. Its filmmaker make less diversify movie in every society of world. Its international cinema, it's not promoting nepotism, while Indian cinema it's promoting nepotism. It's promoting new ideas by new startups in international cinema, while Indian cinema it's promoting less idea by new startups. Because if you think about new starters means new filmmaker or new filmmaker, these are accepting new ideas, while in Indian cinema they are less accepting new ideas. It's promoting folk star international cinema in regional languages. That's why when these movie come on other countries, they are come after dubbing their country language, while in Indian cinema it's promoting less folk star, diversify regional language. That's why that's why in development, if you see we talk about development, so in Indian region, that's why less development in society and less development in business, because movie can play good role in social upliftment. Its movies are mass effective in USA and world market by dubbing language. Its movie in Indian cinema, its movie are less mass effective in Indian and world market. Because international cinema, various part of world, whatever, if we talk about Chinese, Japanese, if we talk about German, if we talk about England, if you talk about USA, these are a different Australia, these are a different kind of movie maker. These are a different topics movie made, and they are focused on different sector, business sector, society, and they are dominance in various society of world, while in Indian cinema these are not a good effective, because they are not getting, if we talk about award, these are Indian cinema only very less award get by international recognition award. Its movies are happy ending in international cinema. Its movies are sending a message in happy ending. Its movies are futuristics more international cinema point of view. Indian cinema, its movies are less futuristics. That's why futuristic means I mean to say here, these are not ideal movie in a Indian cinema, because these are not a business point of view. That's why people are not focusing about it. That's why not think about ideal movie, because if we think about any social development in any business development, that's why we can apply that idea. In a international cinema, maximum movies are business point of view, the social development point of view. That's why they taking idea from movie, and that's why they can implement their society after watching movies. 15 point international cinema, it's practical movies, while in Indian cinema it's less practical movies. International cinema, it's provide large employment in worldwide level, while in Indian cinema it's provide largest employment in re, India only, not in other countries. International cinema also providing employment in other country due to dubbing staff hiring in various part of world, various country. These are a majorly revenue collection in this after dubbing language is rising in day by day, in year by year in Hollywood, in international cinema. While in Indian cinema, dubbing language is less finding only. If you talk about South cinema, South business house, they are dubbing their movies after launching also. Earlier was not launching, after launching they are not dubbing in Hindi language, but now they think about business point of view, they are dubbing their movie even in launching time. Then then is come in Hindi language, in other part of Indian languages also. And these are a good ideal movie, but their revenue collection only based on their state, not other part of country's state. That's why they are not get good credit, and they cannot get good national award. While in Bollywood cinema, they are getting good award in national level award also. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel for any suggestion for new video idea, so you can send us comment. Thanks for watching video.